So for installing Windows, whenever you want to install Windows or any operating system, so you need that two things, or maybe one or maybe CD or maybe DVD of that operating system, maybe Windows or something else. So in this way, I'm gonna teach you how you can make your flash boot table in order to make and install Windows or any operating system to your computer. In this case, I'm using Windows 7, 8, and 10 USB flash boot table maker. It's from Microsoft. Now the installation is really easy. So you open that, and then you hit next, and then you hit next, and it's really easy. So and it's typically easy because I've installed it, so I don't need anymore. So I'm gonna exit now from this. So let's really make the flash boot table. Now I'm gonna connect my flash drive in here again. So right now I have my flash drive that you can see, it's USB drive, and I'm gonna run this application. It says Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. So I did it now, and I'm gonna copy this address to really open the exact folder I want to, and I'm gonna paste it in here and open. Now I have this in here. I've downloaded that from the Microsoft, and it's easy, and you can also get the license from there. So you open that, and then you hit next. Now it says you want to make the boot table USB or DVD. So we are gonna talk about USB. Okay, it's flash. Then you select the flash drive from here, and then you begin copying it, and then you say erase. Now be sure it really erase everything you have there. So you click and you hit yes. So it takes a little time and much more time to really be done. And once it's 100% complete, and you'll see the status that it's completed, and then it's made boot table. That's how you can make the USB boot table, and it's typically easy.